Hello, welcome back to my recorded classes. This video we are discussing a topic from the course Mathematics for IT, the floating point form of a number. Okay, so please subscribe my channel for getting more recorded classes from this topic. So we are going to the topic 1.3, the floating point form of a number. Okay, so this section we are highlighting how to write normalized decimal floating point form of a number. Okay, or simply we can call normalized form of a number. So how to find the normalized form of a number? So you can see the idea here, plus or minus. Okay, sometime the number is positive, sometime the number will be negative. All the number should be starting with 0 point. Okay, 0 point, and d1 d2 d3 up to dk multiply 10 power n. D1 means the first digit of the number. Okay, for example, here you can see down one example also there. Okay, 5.4231. So what we need to do, we need to start always that number with 0 point. 0.54231, correct? The 5 number we are calling the D1 first digit, okay, and 4 is the second digit, like that. Okay, so 2 is the third digit of the number, fourth digit and fifth digit. Okay, so 0.D1 D2 D3 dk multiply. Okay, multiply 10 power n. How to find this n we will discuss with examples later. So this example you can see. Okay, just check before the point how many numbers are there. Okay, before the point how many numbers are there. So in this example we have only one number, before the point only one number. So we can write multiply 10 power 1. Okay, 10 power how many numbers before the point. Okay, so 10 power 1. So this is the normalized decimal form of that number, or normalized form of that number. So 0.54231 multiply 10 power 1. So here when we are writing in the normalized decimal floating point form of a number, what we need to care is that the first digit, okay, the first digit, that means this number, okay, D1 first digit number, always it should not be 0. That number from 1 to 9, see here I mentioned here 1 less than or equal to D1 less than or equal to 9. That means the first digit should not be 0. Starting from 1 up to 9, any number possible, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, any number, no problem, but 0 number not possible from the beginning. Okay, first digit D1 digit. But after that digit D2 D3 D4, any other digit, any number it is possible, 0 to 9. Say 0 also included, 0 less than or equal to di less than or equal to 9. That means starting from 0 also, correct? 0 also included, but first digit it should not be 0. So 0 less than or equal to di less than or equal to 9 for I equals 2 3 4 5 up to k. That means D2 D3 D4 D5 up to dk, any number including 0. So if you are writing a number in this format, we are calling it as normalized decimal floating point of the number, or simply we can call normalized form of a number. Okay, so sometime number is plus number, sometime number is negative number. Starting should be 0 point, first digit should not be 0, and all other digit any number possible. Okay, now this example we already discussed, the normalized decimal form of the number 5.4231 is 0.54231 multiply 10 power 1. So how to write a number in normalized form, we need to discuss more examples so that you can clear these ideas. So we will go to the exercise. Okay, exercise 1.3. Okay, so first question, write the following numbers in normalized decimal form. Okay, I'm just highlighting normalized form. In short way we can write normalized form or normalized decimal floating point form. So First question 1a, minus 20.56 minus 20.56. So we will write the answer as we told, as we discussed, starting should be 0 point. Okay, that number is negative, so minus. Okay, sometime plus number, sometime negative number. So minus 0 point, write all the digit. 2, first digit should not be 0. See here 2 is the number, so no problem. So 2056 multiply 10 power. Okay, you can check how many number before the point. Okay, how many numbers before the point. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2. We have only 2 number before the point, correct? So we can write multiply 10 power 2. Multiply 10 power 2. That is the normalized form of that number. Okay, we will go to the second example. 15 over 4. 15 over 4. Write that number in normalized decimal format. So first we are checking what is 15 over 4 in the calculator. 15 over 4 means 3.75. 3.75. Now we will write this number in normalizer form. So what we need to do, we need to start from 0 point, write all the numbers 3, 7 and 5, multiply 10 power. Okay, 10 power. As I told you, we need to check how many numbers before the point. Only one number is coming before the point. So we can write multiply 10 power 1. Multiply 10 power 1. So that is the normalized form of that number. Okay, well, we will go to the question C. 20.5 divide 4.1. Okay, first check the number in the calculator. So this means number is 5, correct? 5 means actually 5.0, that is the meaning, correct? 5 means 5.0, that means you need to know where is the point coming. Okay, so 5 means actually 5.0. So we are writing that number in normalizer form now, starting from 0.5, 0.5 multiply 10 power. Okay, you can check how many numbers before point. Only one number, correct? Only 5. 5, that is multiply 10 power 1. Okay, now the question number D, cube root of 28. Cube root means in our calculator shift root 28. Cube root of 28 means the number 3.036588972. Okay, this is the number cube root of 28. Now we are writing that number in normalized form. So starting from 0 point, write all the digit. First digit should not be 0, but here first digit is 3, so no problem. 30365888972. Okay, multiply 10 power. Okay, you can check how many numbers are coming before the point. Before the point only one number, correct? So we can write multiply 10 power 1. Multiply 10 power 1. So that is the normalizer form or normalized decimal form of that number. Again we have next question. Question number E, 5.23 power 2, all power 2. So as I told, first check the number in calculator so that we can write the answer. Equals 27.3529. 3529. Okay, now we will write the number in normalized form. So starting from 0.273529 multiply 10 power. Okay, just to check how many numbers before the point. We have 2 numbers, so we can write multiply 10 power 2. Multiply 10 power 2. That is the normalized form. Now question number F, len 21. Len 21. So first we will write the number equals 3.044522438. Okay, so normalizer form 0.3044522438 multiply 10 power. Okay, only one number before the point, you can see only one number before the point, so we can write 10 power 1. Now next one, question number G, e power 0.5. E means in our calculator whatever I told, fx991 es plus. Okay, this calculator we are using. So e power 0.5 means, e means shift len, power 0.5. So we will get the number equals 1.648721.271. Okay, now we will write this number in normalizer form as usual. 0.1648721.271 multiplied 10 power 1, because only one number before the point, only one number before the point, so multiply 10 power 1. So to write the normalizer form, it is easy, not difficult. Okay, well, we will go to the next one. 5.000421. We need to write this number into the normalizer form. So we will start equals, first we are writing the digit starting from 0 point, first number is 5, so no problem. Okay, 0 is not possible. After number, any number, as I told you, 0 also possible. 4, 2, 1 multiply 10 power. Okay, how many number before the point? Only one digit, correct? So multiply 10 power 1. Multiply 10 power 1. So that is the normalized form of that number. Okay, now we are going something different question, different numbers. For example, write the numbers in normalizer form. Question number 1I, 0.00092205, correct? So we need to write this number in normalizer form. Okay, so when we are writing this number, always careful, 0 point starting should be. Now I told you first digit, it should not be 0 here. We cannot write 0 here, correct? So see, this 0 we cannot write. This 0 cannot write, because first digit should not be 0. So where we are starting the number 9, see the first number 9 is okay, because 0 we cannot write. So 9205. Okay, 9205 multiply 10 power. Okay, here you can see before point, is there any number? There is no number before point, only 0, nothing. Okay, it is just writing 0 point. If you are writing or not writing, no problem, that's 0, only 0, correct? Here only 0, only 0 means, okay, it will not count as a digit, only 0. Okay, for example, if it is coming like 1 0, then both will count, but only 0 is coming, it will not count. So just check, if there is no number before point, then we are thinking after point immediately how many zeros are coming. Okay, before point if there is no number, then only we are going to after point. Okay, after point immediately how many zeros are coming. So here it is 1 0, second 3, correct? 3 zeros are there after point. After point means we are putting the power minus. Okay, minus 3 zeros, that means minus 3. Okay, after point immediately how many zeros. Okay, that is the example here. This is the normalizer form of that number. So that example we need to be careful. Before point, if there is no number, then we will go to after point, immediately how many zeros are coming. Okay, so 3 zeros are there, so multiply 10 power minus 3. After point means power should be negative, and I told you immediately. Okay, because here see 1 0 is there, this 0 it will not take, because it is not immediately. After some number, after 9 2, that 0 is coming, correct? After some number means that 0 don't count. Immediately how many zeros are coming, so that is the power, and with negative sign minus 3. Okay, now we will go to the next example, question number J, 0.569. 0.569. Now this example we will see, it is equals. So first we are starting with 0 point, we are writing the digits of the number 5, 6, 9, multiply 10 power. Okay, multiply 10 power. Now you can check, before point is there any number? There is no number, correct? Because only 0, it will not count as a number. So there is no number before the point. So what we will do, after the point, immediately how many zeros are coming? Immediately after the point, next 0 0, any zeros are coming, we need to count. Here nothing, here no zeros after the point also, correct? So before the point there is no number, after the point there is no zero immediately. So in this case we are writing power 10 power 0. Power 0 means before point there is no digits, after the point immediately there is no zeros. So we can write 10 power 0. That is the normalized form of that decimal number. I hope it is clear to you. Now question number 2 we are going to discuss the normalized decimal form of the number. Okay, one number is given here, 0.0000205 is, what is the normalized form of this number? Answer also given. What is that number? 0.205 multiply 10 power k. See here it is k. Number is 10 power, number is not given. 10 power k. Then what is the value of k? K equal to how much? That is the question. What k? That should be the normalized form. Okay. So you know how to write a number in normalized form. So when we are going to this number, as we told, okay, this number when we are writing normalized form, starting 0 point, okay, after point immediately 0 we cannot write. So this 0 we cannot write, this 0 also, this 0 also we cannot write. So first we are writing digit 2, 0 and 5. Correct. After one number 0 coming, no issue. So 205 multiply 10 power. Now what I told, before the point is there any number? No number. Correct. This 0 it is not counting as a number. Only 0 it will not count. So what we will do, after point immediately how many zeros are coming? How many zeros are coming? 1, 2 and 3. Correct. This 0 after a number, so it will not take. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 numbers. So after point means we need to write power minus. So power minus 3 zeros means power minus 3. Power minus 3. Now you can write what is our k number. Correct. We can write what is our k number. What is k here? See, 10 power k. 10 power k. What is that k is asking? Because here it is same. See, 0.205. So what will be the k number? K number equal to minus 3. K equals minus 3. So I hope it is clear to you. K equals minus 3. Okay. Now we will go to the next one. The normalized decimal form of the number 203.45. Okay, you can check by calculator what is that number. 203.45 divide 13. Okay, 203.45 divide 13 equals, when we are checking in calculator, 15.65. 15.65. Now, if you are writing this number in normalized decimal form, see what will be the answer. It is written here. Okay, there is some dot. We need to fill that blank. Multiply 10 power 2. Multiply 10 power 2. So, what will be the number here is the question. What will be the number here? So, just we are trying to write this number in normalized form so that we will get the answer. What will be the normalized form this number? Starting with 0, 0.1565, all the digit we are written, multiply 10 power, already given in the answer question. So anyway, we can check here, before the point how many numbers? We have 2 numbers before the point, 2 numbers before the point. So we can write multiply 10 power 2. Multiply 10 power 2. So that is the normalizer form. In the question, it is asked what is this number only, correct? This part. So that part answer is 0.1565. I hope you clear this one. Now we will go to the next one, the last question from here. The normalized decimal form of the number. Okay, one number is given here, 7.0625 divide 565 equals. Okay, first we can check that number from calculator. That number we are getting equals 0.0125. This is the number. Okay. Now, what is our question actually? That number we need to write just in normalized form. See, here one dot it is missing. That number you need to write, multiply 10 power minus 1, already given. So, just we can proceed like write normalized form. So, what is the normalized form? Starting should be 0 point. This 0 we cannot write because immediately 0 not possible, because here it is 0, that is why, correct? So, 0 point, just write the digits 1, 2, 5, multiply 10 power. Okay, we can check. Before the point, there is no number, correct? Only 0. Only 0 we will not take. There is no number. So, after the point, immediately how many zeros are coming? Only 1 0, correct? Only 1 0. So, after the point means, as I told you, power minus. So, power minus 1, 1 0. So, power minus 1 after the point because of minus. So, 10 power minus 1. So, we got the answer. In that question, we need to fill this portion, 0.125 multiply 10 power minus 1. So, this is the idea about the normalized decimal form of the number. I hope you understood the ideas from this topic, how to write a number in normalized floating decimal point form. Now, sometime we can answer like these questions. For example, some number is giving like 0.00865. Okay, 865. Now, when we are writing this number in normalized form, we will get the answer 0.865. Okay, multiply 10 power. Okay, I will consider a simple example that is more easy to you. For example, I am considering 16.865. 16 point. Okay, 16.865. So we can write 0.16865 multiply. Now you know how many numbers are coming before the point. 1, 2 numbers. Okay, so but the question asking like multiply 10 power k. Multiply 10 power k. okay, then the value of 10 power k equals, okay, then the value of 10 power k equals. So it is obvious, correct? It is easy to write. So how to do that one? This number normalized form as usual, 0.16865 multiply 10 power, before the point we have 2 number, so 10 power 2, correct? So the question asked, what is the 10 power k, this number 10 power k equal to how much? 10 power 2, correct? You know what is 10 power 2? 10 power 2 means 100. So we can write 10 power k means 10 power 2, 10 power 2 means it is 100. So like that, different way we can ask the questions from normalized decimal form. So I hope all of you understood the ideas from this section. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching these recorded classes. So as I told you, please subscribe my channel for getting more videos or more classes, recorded classes related to this course, and other math related workshops also. Thank you very much.